Hi, today we're cooking Lumpiang Gulay or vegetable stuffed spring roll. So we have ingredients here. So we have carrot, zucchini, saboy cabbage, green beans, tofu, spring roll pastry, and prawns. We don't have bean sprout, so I'm just using whatever ingredients I have in the pantry. So I just put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and just leave it for 1 minute until it's hot enough, and then you put the prawns. So you just want the prawns just half cook because we're gonna put them stuff them up inside the spring rolls or vegetable spring rolls after this. So half cook lang siya, tapos ikakat natin into half. So we'll leave that probably roughly 2 minutes, yeah, each side. So now, luto na sila. Just half cook. So tatanggalin na natin ang prawns. Just put them in here. Then we're gonna put the vegetable. So just trying to leave that. We don't need to wash this kasi lahat ng lasa ng prawns nandito sa pan. So we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil, or you can leave it as it is. And then we're gonna put the tofu first. So just keep stirring it. And then after this, the next ingredients that we're gonna put is carrots. I'll just see how much carrots I can put in this one. So maybe leave that. And then I'll add this, the last bit. So just keep stirring it. Tapos, after ng carrots, ilagay naman natin ang ating green beans. So this one, and then after this, ilalagay naman natin ang vegetable. Just keep stirring it for a bit now. So just leave it, let it stir. It's probably this one for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna put the zucchini. So we don't have bean sprout, so I'm just using zucchini. Then after that, we're gonna put saboy cabbage. I'm using saboy cabbage kasi mas matamis ang saboy cabbage. So pagka kumatas na yung sauce niya, mas matamis yung vegetables natin. So we're just putting this last bit of carrots. Tapos we're gonna let it steam or cover it, and we're gonna leave it for about 2 minutes. So we're gonna put some salt as well and pepper. Let's put pepper as well, and then keep stirring it. Just keep stirring it, and then we're gonna leave this for about 2 to 4 minutes, and then when we're gonna come back in this one. So now it's ready. So we're just gonna take the vegetables out of the pan. We're just gonna drain the vegetables. So I'm just doing this. Later on, we're gonna use the vegetable broth. So we're not gonna throw that. That's what we call liquid gold. We're gonna use it para sa sauce natin mamaya sa vinegar. So I'm putting it in just around the corner. So I'm put hole in the middle so it's gonna drain while I'm doing this. And then later on when it's cooled down, we're gonna wrap the vegetable spring roll or lumpiang Shanghai. So now we're gonna wrap the vegetable spring roll. So I have water here. I have flour, and I have the prawns that's been cut into half. So I'm putting some flour all over here para hindi sila mag-stick dun sa lalagyan natin. So I'm just putting that. And then I have here the spring roll pastry. So lalagay ko lang itong gulay. So just put 2 tablespoons of vegetables. And then I'm gonna put 2 to 3 pieces of prawns on top of it. So it's 3 here. And then we're gonna roll this. Let's put water in here. Spatter water there. So sometimes they put water and flour on it together, so to make it a bit sticky, but water should be fine. Or sometimes they put egg yolk, but this water should be fine. It will hold the wrapper. So just the water there, and then you roll it, and that's it. That's our vegetable spring roll. So now they're ready. So we're just gonna deep fry our vegetable spring rolls. So it's probably until they're golden brown. So now our vegetable spring roll or lumpia gulay is ready to eat. Hope you enjoy this